If I ask you to describe an object in English, will you be able to do it? If you are a beginner and trying to improve your English, then start describing everyday objects in English. It's very useful. While describing everyday objects in English, you don't need difficult English. You don't need difficult vocabulary, phrases, even grammar. You just need to have a simple understanding of grammar and simple words. And you need to understand how to describe an object in English. In this video, I will show you how to describe an object in English. It's very useful, my friends. Please watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel, Learning English Together. In today's video, we are going to describe an object in English, which is television. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because your one subscribe will motivate me to create more English learning contents for you. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel. My friends, will you be able to describe a television in English? Always remember that while describing any objects in English, you need to keep a few questions in your mind. The first question is, what is it? What is the name of the object? How does it look like? How does it work? What's its advantages and disadvantages? How can you take care of it? What's your opinion? These questions you need to keep in your mind while describing any objects. Then you can easily describe any objects in English. Now let me show you how to describe television in English. The first question is, what is it? It's a television. Television is an electronic device which is used in every home. It looks black in color and it has a big display. It works on electricity. If there is no electricity, it will not work at all. And set-top box is connected with the TV to access many channels. If you are not connected the set-top box with the TV, you will not be able to watch many channels. Television will not provide access to many channels because set-top box is not connected with the TV. If it's a smart TV, if there is Wi-Fi, you can connect the Wi-Fi with the TV and you can watch YouTube. But if there is no connection with the set-top box, then you will not be able to watch many channels. And now let's talk about, this is the basic thing about the television. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of watching a television. The first advantages of watching a television is that it keeps us informed about current events and global warming. How? Let me show you. Television provides many news channels, documentaries, education programs that keeps us informed about current events and global warming. This is the first advantages of watching television. And the second advantages of watching television is entertainment. You can make yourself entertainment. Let me show you how. Television offers varieties of channels like movies, music program, dance program, comedy show, and many more channels like this. So when you feel anxious, stressed, exhausted, you can listen to music program, you can watch dance program, you can watch sports movies that gives you in entertainment, that provides entertainment. This is the second advantages of watching television. And the third advantages of watching television is learning or developing language skills. How it help us learning or developing language skills? Let me show you. Television provides many news channels, right? And the same channel you can watch in your own language. You can watch the same channel in a different language. For example, there is a channel which is broadcast in English, so the same channel you can watch in Hindi. For example, you are from Kolkata, you watch any news in Bengali language, but you can watch the same channel in English in other language as well. It help us to learn different language. It help us to learn different language and skill. This is how it help us. This is the third advantages of watching television. And the fourth advantages of watching television is learning different culture and tradition. You are, for example, you are from Odisha or some other state? How will you know what is the culture in other state, how they celebrate a festival in other state? For example, let's say Diwali. How people celebrate Diwali in other state? How will you know it? Through television we can get to know what is the culture tradition in other states. It help us learning about different culture and tradition. There are many uh, channels that offers learning about different cultures and tradition. And if I talk about the fifth advantages, then I would say there are many news and education program that provides education skills, practical education skills. These are the advantages of watching television. And if we talk about the disadvantages of watching television, the first disadvantages of watching television is time consuming. It reduces your productivity. Let me show you how. For example, you are watching a movie, right? So movies are mostly about 2.5 hours, right? 2.5 hours or 3 hours. So when you watch a movie, that consumes a lot of time and reduce your productivity. And the second disadvantages of watching television is electricity bill, and it increases your electricity bill, and you need to pay a set-top box fee as well. Set-top box, you need to pay for set-top box. Without set-top box you can't watch many movie channels, right? So you need to pay for that. This is the second disadvantages of watching television. It time consuming, even you have to pay for that electricity bill, even set-top box bill. The third disadvantages of watching television is damaging your eyes. If you watch television closely, a very close distance, it may harm your eyes, and it will harm your sleep during the night as well. And these are the few disadvantages of watching television. See my friends, how long I have been describing an object in English. When you describe an object in English, you form many sentences, you get many ideas, and that is how we learn. See my friends, you don't need an English partner if you are practicing alone. If you don't have an English partner, how will you improve your English? You can improve English by describing everyday objects in English. It's a very useful formula, I would say. Always remember that before describing any objects in English, you need to remember a few questions in your mind. The first question is, what is it? How does it look like? How does it work? What's its advantages and disadvantages? How can you take care of it? What's your personal opinion? Always remember these questions and you can easily describe any objects in English. If I give you my personal opinion, I would say these days people are not into watching television. People are more into using a cell phone and laptop. Many people watch sports and movies, listening to musics. At that time the people use TV. Otherwise most of the time they use their cell phone and laptop. People don't use TV too much these days. This is my personal opinion. You can share your personal opinion as well. I hope you understand how to describe an object, how you can improve your English by describing an object. When you are describing an object, you are using many words. I think it's very helpful. Even I have been practicing English like this for a long time. Have seen improving my spoken English. I hope you understand. This much is for today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. And I know my friends, you people are doing great in your life. You people are practicing English every day. You are improving your English. You are watching my videos. And I know my friends, you will support me by subscribing to my channel. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.